Chapter 31: Networking and Relationship Building in the Digital Age. No matter how skilled you are or how great your products are, opportunities in business often come down to one thing: relationships. The people you know, and more importantly, the people who know you, can open doors that would otherwise take years to unlock. Networking isn't about collecting business cards or sending cold, spammy messages. In the digital age, it's about building genuine connections, offering value, and staying top of mind so that when opportunities arise, people think of you first. The first mindset shift in networking is to focus on giving before you expect to get. Too many people approach networking with a "what can I get from this person" mentality. This turns interactions into transactions, and people can sense it. Instead, think about how you can help the other person, whether that's making an introduction, sharing a useful resource, or simply supporting their work publicly. When you lead with value, people are far more likely to want to help you in return. Social media has made networking easier and more scalable than ever. You can follow, comment on, and share the content of industry leaders, potential collaborators, and peers in your niche. Over time, this builds familiarity and rapport without needing to attend endless in-person events. But don't just like posts, engage meaningfully. Ask thoughtful questions, share your perspective, or expand on the topic in a way that adds value to the conversation. Direct outreach can also be powerful if done respectfully. Whether it's via email, LinkedIn, Instagram DMs, or another platform, keep your message short, specific, and personal. Show that you've taken the time to learn about the person, explain why you're reaching out, and suggest a clear next step, like a short call or collaboration idea. Generic copy and paste messages rarely get responses. Personalization is what gets noticed. Collaborations are one of the fastest ways to grow your network and audience. This could be co-hosting a webinar, guesting on a podcast, writing a guest article, or doing a joint social media campaign. Collaborations work best when they're win-win, meaning both sides benefit from the partnership. They also allow you to borrow each other's audiences, introducing you to potential customers who already trust the other person. Consistency matters in relationship building. Just like with marketing, you can't show up once and expect results. Check in with your contacts periodically, send them relevant articles or updates, congratulate them on wins, and offer help when you see an opportunity. These small touches over time deepen the relationship and keep you on their radar. Another thing to understand is that networking isn't just about connecting upward to bigger names. It's also about building strong relationships sideways and even downward. Your peers and people just starting out in your space can grow into major players over time. And if you've built a genuine relationship early, those bonds can pay off in ways you cannot predict. In-person networking still has a place, especially for deepening relationships formed online. Industry events, conferences, and meetups create opportunities for richer conversations and more memorable connections. Even in the digital age, a face-to-face meeting can accelerate trust and create a stronger bond. Finally, remember that relationships compound. The more people know you, the more introductions you get, the more opportunities appear, and the easier it becomes to meet even more people. Over time, your network becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem that continually brings you ideas, partnerships, clients, and friends. In business, skills get you in the game, but relationships are often what take you to the next level. If you treat networking not as a one-off activity, but as an ongoing habit of giving, connecting, and staying in touch, you will build a network that supports your success for years to come.